Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us do permutations and combinations for first PUC students, exercise 7.4. As you can see, the question says, if NC8 is equal to NC2, they have asked us to find NC2. So here you can see NC8 is equal to NC2. So these both are same and the R part, this is different. So we have a formula here which says, result here which says, if NCA is equal to NCB, it implies A is equal to B, that is A is equal to N minus B or N is equal to A plus B. So we are going to use this result here. So let us start the solution. Let us write the result. NCA is equal to NCB implies N is equal to A plus B. So here our A is 8 and our B is 2, correct? So 8 plus 2 will be 10. So we have got our N to be 10. So NC2 is nothing but 10C2, correct? So which is nothing but, we are going to write it in factorial notation. As we know, NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, or as you have already learned, see, NCR is equal to N factorial R factorial into N minus R factorial, where R lies between 0 and 1. So we are going to use this. So instead of N factorial, it is 10 factorial by 10 minus R. R is our 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which is nothing but 10 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So I have already told I am not going to simplify further. I am going to just simplify till 8 factorial so that I can cancel. So 10 into 9 into 8 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 into 1. 8 cancel. 8 factorial cancels. 2 1s are 2 5s are 9 5s are 45 is our answer. Let us do the second problem. It says we have to determine the value of n. So second we will determine n if 2nC3 is to nC3 is equal to 12 is to 1. So remember this formula of NCR combinations. So we are going to use this formula and we are going to simplify this. We can also write this as 2nC3 by nC3 is equal to 12 by n. Okay. So ratio I have written in terms of fraction. So this implies this is nothing but n factorial. So 2n factorial by n minus r, that is 2n minus 3 factorial into r. Our r is 3 factorial, correct? Divided by also I can write, or I can, I'll write once first divided by. This is nothing but n factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to 12 by n. This I can just shift the down part up, so it gets reversed. That is 2n factorial. So we have shifted it on top, that is 2n factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial as it is, into this denominator will come up. So 3 factorial and 3 factorial cancels. So we are left with 2n factorial n minus 3 factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial n factorial is equal to 12. Now I am going to simplify this factorial. 2n factorial I can write as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3. That is how we write, no children. If it is n factorial, 8 factorial, we try to decrease. So we are decreasing one term. So factorial. Why I have written till 2n minus 3? As you can see, I can cancel with this 2n minus 3 factorial. So I have written. Same thing I am going to do even with the denominator n factorial till I'll come till n minus 3 factorial. This as it is, into this n factorial I will write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial, where I can cancel. This is equal to 12. So this implies this full term has been cancelled. So there is nothing in the numerator here. There is 1, 2, 3 terms in the numerator left, which is nothing but 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 12. This n also I can cancel. So I am left with, and also I can cancel this. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. Correct. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So I've got here 6. So here I am left with 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 6. One more thing I can do, 2n minus 1, here I can take 2 common. So 2 is common, n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 6. I can cancel this n minus 1, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So now what I am left with, what is remaining, 2n minus 1 is remaining denominator n minus 2 is remaining is equal to 3. So we are going to simplify this. So when we simplify this, that is 2n minus 1 is equal to, we'll shift this here, 3 into n minus 2, right? So 2n minus 1 is equal to 3n minus 3 2s are 6, correct? So 2n minus 3n is equal to minus 6 plus 1. We are going to shift minus 1 this side, it becomes plus 1. We are going to take like terms one side, so minus 3n. 2n minus 3n is nothing but minus n, and minus 6 plus 1 is nothing but minus 5. Minus minus if you cancel, we will get the value of n, which is equal to 5. They have asked in the question to determine the value of n, and hence we have determined. I hope you have understood. Next problem is much lengthier, so I will continue in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.